In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok stream key on mobile, vertical bar, Android, and iOS. Finding your TikTok stream key on mobile in 2025 is quite simple, but it's only available if TikTok has enabled Live Studio, RTMP streaming for your account. TikTok doesn't provide the stream key to all users. By default, you need to meet certain requirements such as being over 18, having at least 1,000 followers, and being eligible for TikTok Live. Once enabled, you can use your stream key to broadcast through third-party apps like OBS, Streamlabs, or mobile streaming tools. And here in your Play Store or App Store, make sure that the TikTok app is updated. To begin, open the TikTok app on your Android or iOS device and log into your account. Tap the plus button at the bottom to create, then swipe across to the live option. If your account is eligible for RTMP streaming, you'll see an option such as transmit or cast device instead of just the usual live video. Tap it and TikTok will generate your stream key and server URL. These details will appear on your screen and you'll need to copy them into your streaming software. Since TikTok doesn't allow you to copy the stream key directly with a single tap, most users either write it down, take a screenshot, or use the app's built-in copy function if available. Once copied, open your streaming app, for example Streamlabs or Prism Live Studio on mobile, and paste the server URL and stream key into the custom RTMP settings. This links your TikTok account with the external app so you can broadcast professional style streams. If you don't see the stream key option on your TikTok live setup screen, it means your account hasn't been granted RTMP access yet. In that case, you may need to apply through TikTok Live Studio or wait until TikTok rolls out access to your profile. Some creators also report that updating the app or switching to a business creator account increases eligibility. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.